Welcome back to Chili and Diesel's Comfort Patrol podcast,
where we ask the important questions.
Today we've got a special guest, President Jim Crawford.
Is he the guy who runs this place?
I've been in HVAC for over 30 years.
So, you invented air conditioning?
What makes AirPlus different?
I personally meet customers, go on estimates, and oversee every installation. I also supervise our factory-trained technicians.
Wait, you actually show up? Like, you?
Absolutely. I really enjoy interacting with our customers. That's how we make sure it's done right.
That's why customers keep coming back. Most companies send salespeople.
We send experience.